Alright guys, so for belly fat reduction remedy, we're gonna be needing apple. Now apple helps so much in slowing down your appetite, so it would therefore help in removing and reducing all unwanted belly fat. So taking apple as a drink, would help in flushing out toxins from your body, and it will also flush out waste. Okay, and also we're going to be making use of garden egg. Okay, so if you've actually not if you don't know garden egg, google it. It is way natural. It is a vegetable, all right, that helps so much in slowing down your hunger appetite level. Okay, so it would therefore help to slow down your fat production cells, therefore reducing or removing belly fat. Then we're going to be making use of lemon. Now lemon is essential when it comes to removing belly fat. Okay, so we need this a whole lot because it's going to help in removing all stubborn fat and stored fats. Then we're going to be putting in ginger. Now ginger is one natural root that works wonders on the skin as well as the body. It helps for reduction of fat, and it also helps removing pimples and dark spots. Okay, so we're gonna be needing this a whole lot. We're gonna be washing all of this vegetables, okay, because of course we're gonna be taking it. So anything you consume, you have to wash it. So I'm actually just showing you so you don't be like, oh, you didn't wash it, so you didn't wash it, because I get that comment too. So you have to use salt or apple cider vinegar to wash your vegetables. So after you've washed, then we're going to cut the apple, remove the seeds, alright. So after that is done, we have to cut it in cubes. Okay, alright, so we're gonna transfer all of this into a blender. Okay, and there we go. We're gonna do same. We're gonna cut it, and now we're going to transfer that into the bowl. Okay, so for the lemon, we're just going to cut that into two and then remove the seed. Okay, then we're going to press it into one full lemon into this vegetable. Okay, one full lemon. Okay, so after that is done, you're gonna be needing just a little bit of ginger. Now this is optional, guys. If you want, you can use it. If you don't want, you can skip it. Okay, very, very optional. It's not a must, but just so you know. And even if you want to put it in, you have to put just a very small quantity of it. Okay, so this small is gonna be okay, and then cut it and then you put it inside of it. So you add up a little bit of water so you can blend this very well, okay, because they are all vegetable in it. So after that, I'll go blend it. Now as I'm blending it, we're going to be making use of 1 egg. So what you do is that you're going to go boil this egg. You have to eat your egg boiled, not fried. So boil egg. Now your morning breakfast is ready, okay? So this is how it's gonna be like. It's actually like a baby food. Like that. So this with 1 egg is just what you need every morning for the space of 2 weeks, and all of your belly fat will be gone. Now let me tell you guys, the very first night you start taking this, and then you take this in the morning, okay, you have to eat at around 12 to 2, okay, but you have to eat a low calorie food, like a low carb food, like low carbohydrates, low fat food, and low soda. All right, 1 egg and 1 glass. Let me tell you how it tastes. All right guys, this actually tastes a little slappy, but it's healthy and it's something you can take. It's just vegetable and apple. Garden egg is something, of course, you eat garden egg and then you eat apple, and then the lemon and a little bit of ginger. Trust me guys, you do not need to go ask any other person. Ask me, I'm here to give you the answer. This is going to remove all of your belly fat and you're going to be good to go, okay? You can actually make it and store it, or you can sieve it if you want, but taking it with the fiber, all of this fiber in it, would help you fill you up, okay? So you're not going to get hungry on time when you take this, and that's just going to be good for you. It's going to be good for your health, and it's going to remove and reduce all of the belly fat. So go try it, you're going to be loving it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the video, and please share the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.